So a lot of times people call and say, hey, I have a foggy window. The glass is foggy, can it be repaired? And the short answer is no. And the long answer is no. So at that point, the argon gas inside the window has leaked out and the seal's been broken. And it doesn't mean your window is gonna leak, but it means it's not gonna perform and it's gonna be very cold and very hot. And so most people, the telltale sign you have a problem with the window, there's two things. Do you have wood rot on the inside? And then are you seeing your windows be very foggy? And if you have one of those two things, your window has failed. And then now it's a matter of like, when do you want to replace it? Not necessarily, I must do it today, but long term, it's not performing. It's not going to help keep your energy bills down. It's not going to help keep moisture out. It's more a matter of like, when you replace it versus if you replace it.